Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss sets, exercise 2.2. In the previous video, we have seen how to write roster form and set builder form. In this session, we are going to discuss union of sets and intersection of sets. Click this I button to learn introduction to sets and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Let us see exercise 2.2. First problem, A equal set of 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal set of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Then find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? So what is intersection of two sets? If A and B have the two sets, the common elements. What are the common elements that are intersection of the two sets? So first question, solution. So given A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So now what we need to find? A intersection B and B intersection A. Then next we need to find out A intersection B equal to or not equal to also. So first A intersection B. So A means set of 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection. B means 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So in the set A and set B, what are the common elements? Here 1 and 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Here nothing common remaining. So what are the common elements? That one we need to write. So 1, 2, 3. So these are common elements in both sets, A and B sets. So A intersection B, we got set of 1, 2, 3. Now we can find B intersection A. So what is the B set? First we can write that B set. One set of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 intersection A. What is A? 1, comma 2, 3 and 4. So in set B and set A in, what are the common elements? That common elements we need to write. We should write the common elements. So means here 1 and 1. Okay, this is the common. 2 and 2, 2 also common. 3 and 3, 3 also common. Means 2, 3. Again there is nothing common elements. So B intersection A, what we got here? Set of 1, 2, 3 got. The elements are 1, 2, 3. So from first one, A intersection B, we got 1, 2, 3 elements only. B intersection A, we got 1, 2, 3 elements only. So what we can conclude? Here we can conclude A intersection B equal B intersection A. So both sets are that intersection of two. Both sets we are getting equal. Next one it is second question. What is the second question? A equal set of 0, 2, 4. The elements are 0, 2, 4. Find out A intersection pi and A intersection A. So that both are, again we need to comment on that both results. So that both results too we can comment. So second solution, given A equal, what is given? 0, 2 and 4. So what we need to find first one? A intersection pi. What is pi here? Pi is empty set or null set or void set. So what is empty set? Without elements 1, that is empty set. So here A equal, I am taking 0, 2, 4 intersection pi. Pi means only we can take null set. So what are the common elements in both sets? Nothing common. Nothing common means we are getting null set only we are getting. Next, A intersection A also they asked. So A intersection A equal A values are 0, 2, 4, intersection again A only 0, 2, 4. So in this both sets, what are the common elements? 0, 2, 4. Here also 0, 2, 4. The common elements we should write. So 0, 2, 4. The set of 0, 2, 4. So A intersection A, what we got here? A intersection A, 0, 2, 4 means A set only we are getting or not? So conclusion. Conclusion, A intersection pi equal we are getting pi, or we can write like this, null set also we need to write, this is also null set only. So A intersection A equal we are getting A intersection pi equal to pi, A intersection A equal to A we are getting. Next third one it is, if A equal 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B equal 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, find A minus B and B minus A we need to find. So here first what are given, that one we need to take. So the third question, third solution, A equal, first given one you can take, given A equal 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And B equal, what is B? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now what we need to find? Difference of sets we need to find. So A minus B and B minus A. So what is A minus B? A minus B equal, so A, set A in what are the elements, that one we should write. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus B 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So in this both sets in, what are the common elements? So here 6 is the common element. Only 6. Only 6 is the common element, means in the set A, first set in, what are the common elements? You can cancel that common elements. Remaining, what are remained? That common elements cutting afterwards, what are remained? That elements we should write. Means 2, 4, 8, 10 we are getting. So A minus B equal 2, 4, 8, 10. Next we need to find B minus A. So B minus A equal, first we should write set B. So B equal 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 minus A. A value is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is B minus A. B we need to write first, then next A elements we need to write. So in the set B and A in, what are the common elements? So only 6 as the common element. So first set in, that common element you have to cut. So in the first set, what are the remaining elements? That one we need to write. Means 3, 9, 12, 15. So here we got it. B minus A equal 3, 9, 12, 15 we got. A minus B got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 we got it. So we can conclusion also we need to write. Conclusion. So what we need to conclude? Here A minus B not equal to B minus A. So both sets we did it got equal. So here different elements, here also different elements. So A minus B not equal B minus A. Next it is fourth one. If A and B are two sets such that what is A union B? So fourth question. Here fourth question. If A and B are two sets such that A subset B type we need to choose. So here I am taking fourth solution. Let A equal 1, 2, 3 I am taking, and B equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I choose A subset B type I choose. So A is the smaller set, B is the bigger set. So subset model only I took. So here A equal 1, 2, 3, B equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next what we need to find? A union B we need to find. So A union B equal A means 1, 2, 3, union B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now union means we need to write individual and common elements. All together we need to write. Means 1, 2, 3. Here already 1 written, no need. 2, 3 also written, no need. Again remaining elements 4, 5. 4, 5. So here A union B we got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means set B or not. So A union B equal B we are getting. This is the conclusion. So if A and B are two sets such that A subset B, what is A union B? So what is A union B? What we are getting? Here A union B always, if A subset B, then A union B equal we are getting B only. So A union B always we are getting B. Now fifth question. If A equal set of X such that X is a natural number, B equal set of X such that X is an even natural number, C equal set of X such that X is an odd natural number, D equal set of X such that X is a prime number, then find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, and C intersection D. Let us see the solution. Fifth solution. This is. So here all are given in the set builder form in given. So we need to write in the roster form. So here what is first one? A equal X such that X is a natural number. So what are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, so on are called natural numbers. That natural numbers we need to write. So that elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Next B equal set of X such that X is an even natural number. Even natural number. So what are even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on are called even natural numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, so on are called even natural numbers. Next C equal, what is C? X such that X is an odd natural number. What are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 are called odd natural numbers. So that one we can write 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. This is odd natural numbers. Next D equal, what is D here? X is a prime numbers. Prime numbers already you know. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on are called prime numbers. So here I am using 3 dots. Everyone I am using 3 dots. 3 dots means it is infinite set. So this all are infinite sets only. They didn't give any condition. They didn't give any condition. So here first one, what is first one? A intersection B. So what are the elements in A? Set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Intersection B. What is B? 2, 4, 6, 8. so on. These are B. So in this natural numbers and even natural numbers in common elements, what are the common elements? 2 and 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, like that. So what are the common elements? That one we need to write. 2, 4, 6, 8, so on we are getting. So what we got here, this is also infinite set. A intersection B means that common elements we should write, that common elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. That are the A intersection B. This is completed. Now A intersection C. So what is A intersection C? So A means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Intersection C. What is C here? Odd natural numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. So in this both sets in, what are the common elements? Here 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Remaining also we are getting. So what are the common elements? We need to write that common elements. 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. This is the A intersection B. Now, A intersection C. Next one it is A intersection D. What is A intersection D? This one I will rub by night. So A intersection D equal, A means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dash dash, intersection D. What is D? Prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. So in that, what are the common elements? So here 2 is there, here also 2. 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7. Again 11 also we are getting. Means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. This is the A intersection B. Next it is B intersection C, B intersection D, and C intersection D. This one you can try your level best. You can try it and comment on comment box. These three problems, this one you can take 1, 2, 3, means this is the fourth problem, fifth, sixth. This one you can comment on comment box. Next problem, that is sixth problem. Sixth problem, if A equal set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, B equal set of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, C equal set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, D equal set of 5, 10, 15, 20. Then find first one A minus B, second A minus C, third A minus D, fourth B minus A, fifth C minus A, sixth D minus A, seventh B minus C, eighth B minus D, ninth C minus B, and tenth D minus A. So this all problems difference we need to find. Let us see the sixth solution. So here given A, B, C, D values. So first we need to find difference of A minus B. So A minus B. So what is the set A? A equal 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus B. What is B? B is 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So difference in first set in, what are the common elements we should cut and remaining elements we need to write. So what are the common elements in the first set? So here 4, 8, 12. 12 is the common element and remaining are nothing common elements. So remaining, what are the remaining elements in the set A, first set, that one we need to write. That is 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. This is A minus B. Next one it is Second one, A minus C. So what is A? A equals 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus C. What is C? Multiple of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, up to 16. So in the first set, what are the common elements? Once you have to see here, 6 is the common and 12 is the common. So that's it. 6 and 12 are the common. So remaining in the first set, what are the remaining elements? That one we need to write. So what are remaining here? 3, 9, 15, 18 and 21. So A minus C equal, we got it here. 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. Next, third one. What is third? A minus D. So A means 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus D. What is D? Multiples of 5 up to 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. So what are the common elements in the first set A and set B? First set and second set. So here 5, nothing common. Nothing common means, so what are the elements in the first set? That all elements we should write. So here we are getting 3, 6, 9, here 15 is the common, 15 and 15. So both sets are having the 15 as a common. So both sets having 15 as a common means this one element we should cut and remaining elements we need to write. So here 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 21. So this is about A minus D. Next one, it is remaining 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, up to 10 problems are there. You can try it, you can comment on comment box. That all problems you can solve it and comment on comment box. Next problem, that is last problem. Seventh problem, that is state whether each of the following statement is true or false. Justify your answer. First one is set of 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set of 3, 6 are disjoint sets. So what is disjoint? The intersection of two sets is null set or called disjoint sets. For example, A comma B are two sets. So the intersection of A intersection B we are getting null set means that is the disjoint sets. The intersection of two sets is a null set means that is the disjoint sets. So first problem, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. So we are getting null set or not. Once you have to see here. So given statement 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 intersection 3, 6. So 3, 6 means here any common element is there or not? Here 3 is the common element. So we got the 3 is the common element means it is not equal to pi. It is not equal to pi means that given statement is false. The given statement is false. Next one, it is AEIOU and ABCD are disjoint sets. So here solution, given set A, E, I, O, U, first set. Intersection, second set A, B, C, D. In this, any common element is there or not? A is the common element in both, means A, it is not equal to pi. It is not equal to pi means the given statement is false or not? So the given statement is false. Next, third one. 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11, 15. So given sets I am writing 2, 6, 10, 14 intersection 3, 7, 11, 15. So what is the common element in this both sets? Nothing common element means we are getting pi we are getting. So pi we are getting means given statement is true. It is the true statement. Last one, set of 2, 6, 10 and 3 set of 3, 7, 11 are disjoint set. So here first set is 2, 6, 10 intersection 3, 7, 11. What are the common elements in both? Nothing common. Nothing common means we can write pi. Pi we are getting means that intersection of two sets is pi means that given statement is true or not. Therefore, the given statement is true. So this is the total complete exercise of 2.2. We have seen how to solve union of sets and intersection of sets, difference of sets and disjoint sets. In the next video, we will see equal sets, equivalent sets. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.